Now that I got all the big stuff off, I got some oil over here. And I'm just gonna wipe it with the oil. Wipe all the excess residue. This is literally just cooking oil. Avocado cooking oil, I think. Or I think olive oil should work as well. And once I'm done with that, it's like my fridge is the way I thought it would be. Didn't think it would take me a half hour cleaning off goop off my fridge. But if you are in the same position and you bought a new fridge and maybe for some reason you're stuck in the same situation, you can literally clean it up. There you go. I'm just gonna keep wiping until it's super clean, right? And that will take off after you do the blow dryer. Depends on how thick of a situation you had it. Wow, this is crazy. But it literally takes off everything. There we go. Now, my fridge is looking like there is no sticker on it. It looks like most of the glue is coming off. But now I got my fridge looking nice and clean. So if you got fridge problems, I got 99 problems. If you're having fridge problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but stickers on my fridge ain't one. Hit me. Anyway, I hope this helps. If you got that problem I just had, do this. It'll solve it.